Chainlink sort of is a blockchain reflection layer that really allows the utilization of by and large related canny arrangements as a sort of decentralized profit association. It controls a set up of organizations for really keen agreements on any blockchain. For instance, it allows the associations to connect with the external data feeds events and portion structures. Amazingly, as such, it gives the reason to the immense gathering of marvelous truly wise agreements, or so they sort of thought. Chainlink most certainly is revolved around guaranteeing that all the center chairmen and clients can especially participate in the blockchain improvement. It has especially worked together with various affiliations, turning out to be maybe of the best player in the data taking care of field. The gigantic data providers like UOB kind of considering new begetting and in every way that really matters. Alpha Voltage offer the permission to the data clearly to Chainlink and for the most part adjust the information they own, which is very critical. Chainlink generally was laid out in 2017 by Sergey Nazarov and Steve Ellis with the arrangement to accelerate essentially clever agreements progression and gathering by drawing in designers to sort of make future rich really decentralized applications. The endeavor in like manner attempts to generally give a comprehensive entry to all the blockchains to kind of overall endeavors in a quite enormous manner. In April 2021, Chainlink has conveyed another white paper called Chainlink 20 that approaches a forceful vision for the possible destiny of astute arrangements. The clients of Chainlink can become center point managers and get by running the groundwork of the blockchain, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Different center point chairmen on the in every way that really matters entire power the worth feed profit associations. Amazingly, the stage moves toward more than a billion information of interest and gets in every way that really matters more than 75 billion by consolidating more than 100 errands with 700 profit associations in an unobtrusive manner. Associate in every way that really matters is the sort of nearby ERC20 identification of the stage, or so they essentially thought it truly has, and in every way that really matters most extreme stock of a billion coins. Around 45 of it for the most part is in the continuous stream, which essentially is genuinely critical. Chainlink live worth diagram beginning from the jump to its immaculate extremely high of 5288 on May 10, 2021. The association kind of token has been following a downtrend in opposition to mainstream thinking in simply 14 days, resulting to showing up at the accomplishment. The asset generally lost the sort of larger piece of its worth, dropping to 20, which especially is very huge. Interface truly has recovered a piece of its worth. Not most certainly well before the really regrettable sort of run of the crypto market moved a lot closer. The kind of token really was endlessly going down until July 20, when it essentially plunged to 145 and subsequently started to recover, which in every practical sense is very critical. By the beginning of September it especially sorted out some way to reach 34 and a short time later went to a downtrend again that very persevered till the month's end in a huge manner during October. And the genuinely introductory fragment of November, the association coin was growing most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. In November it sort of shown up at the truly past level of 34, upheld at this level for several days, and a short time later especially turned around to the downtrend. Incredibly, the association coin stayed negative till the completion of December, tumbling to the level of 18, but by then started to in every way that really matters give signs of recovery, which certainly is genuinely huge. The asset started 2022 bullish and on January 10 truly was traded for 278. Amazingly, in any case, association couldn't stay aware of this level for north of a week and a short time later in every practical sense continued to fall truly as opposed to prevalent thinking on buy and large walk 13. The expense of the token plunged to 127, yet beginning here association started to in every way that really matters go up, but it couldn't arrive at kind of higher than 18 in a significant manner over the latest 14 days. The token by and large was fundamentally negative, and the association cost frame especially kept on declining in an unpretentious manner. The inspectors for the most part are not stressed over the possible destiny of the asset. The passing Chainlink pretty symbolic worth assumption explicitly is that it will really keep losing regard finishing 2022 trading for about 18. However, in the very greater perspective, the experts in a real sense acknowledge that the asset will guide upper, so they Chainlink specific examination. Chainlink's expense in every way that really matters has been moving in a diving channel for most of the fundamental piece of July 2021 or so. They especially thought note that the candles during that period in a real sense have been certainly short, which could signal expense association, which in blend in with the channel model could explicitly mean the expense will break out when the bulls gain a bit of sureness or so. They especially thought, of course, the expense certainly went under the past buy and large assistance zone of 15 to 16, which normally doesn't accomplish a ton of sureness. Chainlink's future, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. This generally is moreover maintained, by the way, that until mid-July the sliding triangle model could explicitly be seen, but it failed to end in a breakout. There in a real sense are truly open entryways for an association retracement, yet seeing the market for quite a while longer truly is ideal in an unobtrusive manner. In the meantime, to the shock of nobody, the inspectors truly are reminding the vendors to put basically stop disasters into their trades, where appropriate Chainlink worth estimate underneath. We have assembled the most especially strong expense projections for Chainlink association from sort of popular measure stages in a significant manner. Chainlink worth assumption for 2022. As of the completion of 2022, Chainlink cost gauges remain dominatingly positive, with some assessment especially encouraging the expense at about 60.85. While prediction it even alludes to the opportunity of the expense reaching 843 toward the year summary's end, as it might be clear from the assessment referred to above. Chainlink association projections are genuinely risky in spite of prevalent thinking. There is no broad understanding either about in every practical sense sure or negative future association cost improvements. Without a doubt, the future possible improvement depends upon various factors: statements, new mechanical plans of the Chainlink projects, the crypto environment, overall real position, and so on. We generously, in a real sense, encourage you that before placing assets into any computerized money, it for the most part is central to do your buy and large own investigation. Dire fact. What is Chainlink token? Chainlink certainly token association is a truly token used in the Chainlink blockchain. Profit association interface generally is used to explicitly pay for the organizations given by the association. For instance, data requests also concerning getting the association. Will Chainlink especially reach 100 in an essentially enormous manner? Without a doubt, Chainlink can generally reach 100 according to an especially couple of experts remembering wallet investorcom for a significant way. Recall that while this for the most part is a reachable goal, sources generally speaking put it in their Chainlink cost assumptions for 2025 or later, so it's unquestionably